Hi, I'm Steven Gompertz. I'm an adjunct instructor for St. Cloud State's Master of Science in Medical Technology Quality Program, which we refer to as MTQ. I've been with the program for 7 years as an instructor and was part of the team that created the program. I'm currently Chief Operating Officer for QRX Partners, a consulting services company based in Minneapolis focusing on medical device quality and regulatory challenges. I've worked in the medical device industry for over 25 years in a variety of roles, including IT, project management, and quality leadership. I've worked for or with a wide variety of companies, from multi-billion-dollar corporations to startups and suppliers to the industry. I have a degree in mechanical engineering from Lehigh University, certification by the American Society for Quality in Quality Management and Medical Device Auditing, and certification by the Regulatory Affairs Professional Society in U.S. regulatory requirements. And I'm also a certified MDR and MDSAP auditor. When I was invited to help develop the MTQ program, I couldn't have been more enthusiastic. I have long been a critic of the quality profession, particularly in the medical device industry, as so many people in the profession have had no formal training. For me, it was no wonder that medical device manufacturers continued to run into regulatory and quality problems, and worse, kept repeating the same mistakes. Basically, I felt that there were too many in the profession that were more like hobbyists than actual professionals. MTQ represented an opportunity to offer that formal training that was so badly needed. When we started out, the program was intended to serve those who were already in the medical device quality roles and help them become more effective and deliver more value to their organizations. Over time, we've seen a shift to students who would like to be in medical device quality, but don't know how to break into the industry without direct experience. The opportunity really shifted from correcting bad habits to preventing them in the first place. We have an opportunity to offer the industry graduates who truly understand how to apply regulatory requirements to different situations, not because they know what the regulations require, but more importantly, why. I can't count the number of times students have told me about being in work meetings where regulatory requirements are being debated and they suddenly realize that they have an answer that no one else in the room has, or how they took on a contract position while going through the program and get hired on full-time before they even graduated, as their employers quickly realized what their value was going to be. And as many of my students connect with me on LinkedIn, I see them moving constantly into the industry, finding more substantial roles, and getting promoted. I don't think I've had a student whose career hasn't been improved by going through the program. With all the changes going on in the industry, including updates to standards, significant changes to regulations, increasing device complexity, and a regulatory shift from demonstrating compliance to focusing on quality management, knowing how to apply the standards, regulations, and best practices has become much more important than just knowing how to check all the requirements off of a list. That's what St. Cloud State's MTQ Master's Degree Program does. If you're looking to up your game professionally, you should be enrolled in this program. If you're an employer trying to decide whether to support an employee in pursuing this degree, you're going to realize benefits and value from that employee that you can't appreciate yet. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you or one of your employees in my classroom soon.